Hi there everybody, well welcome to a new legendary video. It's it's the end of the week and forgot to put a start to this video or make a start to this video. So yeah, I'm at the end but I'm at the start, so something new, something different. And yeah, well, there's quite a bit of everything in this video. Had quite a bit of rain there on Monday, so we didn't cut any hay till, what was it, today or last night and today, so Wednesday and Thursday. And other than that, 1st of July, got a little video from that, from the fireworks in town, because 1st of July is Canada Day, so always a big celebration there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and go from there. Well, we just had our weekly dose of rain here again. Just came down in a hurry for about half an hour, I guess. Because as you can see here, it's dark all over. And finally getting some clear skies there in the back. But look here, it's a big river on the yard. So yeah, I think there's supposed to, gonna have some more overnight, or tonight and overnight, I don't know. They're calling for flood risk and chance for tornadoes and you name it. And it wouldn't be the first time that it happens here, that we get tornadoes. We had it here, was it 15 years ago or so. The roof from the commodity shed, it blew up and it landed in front of where the building's supposed to be. That's where it landed. So if I find a picture from it, I'll put it in here. And another shot of the aftermath of all that rain. Just too much that the drains can't handle it. And even over here in the dry shed, got a big river flowing into the shed. I don't know where it's all going, but probably towards the back and flowing out at the other side. Everything's flooded in here. It's no good, but it'll dry up again. What else are you gonna do? Right? Well, look at that. Nice and black sky, and it feels like there's more coming. The sun is burning, kind of muggy out, and yeah, but everything seems to be in one place, other than the dry shit's filled with water and there's water everywhere. So probably no hay to cut for the next couple days. Let it dry down a wee little bit at least. But we'll keep you posted. started the last field for second cut, and yeah, after that gonna tackle the new seeding, and we're all gonna put that in the same bunk. Start chopping tonight with that new seeding first thing, and then go to the one field behind the barn again, or around the barn, whatever you want to see. Anyway, going pretty good. Stuff got a little bit mature because of all the rain we had the last couple days there, and it's been warm or hot, so that doesn't help for keeping things young and fresh either. But things are going pretty nice. But of course it's windy again. It's kind of hard to put the drone in the air. That will said before we'll tackle that with second cut, but we have to wait for third cut for that. So I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but probably do some more from the new seeding, and maybe some from the chopping from tonight. But I don't know. All depends how that goes. Because yeah, you can only do so much, so, especially when you got to use the steering wheel. Anyway, we'll see how things go. Oh, right beside us here, got the cornfield, or at least one of them. Things are looking pretty good. They're over knee high. So. And today is July the 3rd, so officially for Canada you gotta do it on July the 1st, knee high on July the 1st. But the guys in the States do it on July the 4th, so I guess we just do it in between. But looking pretty good so far. Got a couple bad spots just in the field, but we installed there this spring. But, gotta have something to complain. So we might as well complain about that. Oh, that took a little longer. I don't know if we were able to see it, but that's quite a strip there. When I was on the cutting on the outside, hit a rock on the neighbor's field. So thanks, Chris, for leaving that there. Yeah, well, figured instead of just leaving that, might as well go back and forth one more time and get it all done. Just got a bunch of knives there. That's the evidence. So, live and learn. Working on the last little bit here. And everything should be cut again. Working on that new seating now. Seating's quite a bit on there. Over there, but not a whole lot here, which we already knew. You were able to see that in the past videos. So, a little wet up here. So, with that, we'll just start chopping in an hour or two. And yes, I'm cutting this, well, it's 5 o'clock, so the boys are milking. Beautiful day. Feed is sitting ready in front of the barn. I don't know if you're able to see that because of the sun, but anyway, we'll plucking away here for another 15 minutes and we should be done with this field. Get the disc line off and put the dump wagon on and off we go. First load of the new seeding coming into the yard. Stuff was chopped or cut this afternoon, and now what, maybe 2-3 hours later, and put it in the bunk. Still nice and green. And it's also the first load with a new undercarriage. So I'll get that pushed up here on the first cut, and put the rest of the second cut on top of this one. Hopefully it'll be full, and should have a nice pile of feed. So as you've just seen, it's Thursday night, which is the night with that I usually put a video together. So I'll close this video off with that. Go work on it in between the loads. They got a little bit of a distance now, so should have some time to put something together. And then the rest of the second cut, we'll put that in next week's video. Plus we'll hope to get some manure out, or we have to get some manure out because the pit is getting full. So yeah, with that, have yourself a great week, and hope to see you next week. Oh, and if you would like to follow me, well, just hit that like, subscribe, and you know the whole enchilada. So thanks for that, and we'll see you next week. Moi.